This startup raised $120 million to sell you a juicer that didn't even need to exist. Welcome to the story of Juicero, Silicon Valley's smartest dumb idea. In 2013, entrepreneur Doug Evans set out to reinvent juice. He launched Juicero, a sleek, futuristic-looking juicer that cost nearly $400. The pitch? No prep, no mess, just fresh, cold-pressed juice from a QR-coded packet. You'd buy the machine, order custom juice packs, and the device would squeeze out your drink, clean and easy. Investors ate it up. Backers included Google Ventures, Kleiner Perkins, and others. In total, Juicero raised over $120 million. But there was a tiny, hilarious problem. You could squeeze the juice packs with your bare hands. No machine needed. A viral Bloomberg video showed someone doing just that, squeezing a Juicero pouch without the $400 machine and getting the same result. Even worse, the machine wouldn't work without Wi-Fi. No internet, no juice. The device had sensors, firmware updates, QR code scanning, all to do something your hands could literally do in 5 seconds. Once the hand squeeze video went viral, the internet exploded. Juicero became a meme overnight. Late-night hosts mocked it. Tech blogs tore it apart. Investors were embarrassed. The company slashed the price, but it was too late. In 2017, just 4 years after launch, Juicero shut down. $120 million vaporized by a glorified juice bag squeezer. Juicero didn't fail because people hate juice. It failed because no one asked a simple question: do we actually need this? Subscribe to Startup Graveyard for more billion-dollar ideas that crashed harder than reality could handle.